Your boy's on vacation now, so I got time. But here's the thing. So let's talk about the headlights. All right, as you can see in my headlights, I got the black trim around, right? Which is fine. So I've been thinking about either tinting the headlight or like getting like the ordinary tint from Amazon to go across here to cover up the orange side. Or doing my VHT nightshade spray paint, what I usually do. So the design I'm thinking about doing is coming across right here and covering it off right there, and then leaving this bottom piece like this, exposed like this. But I'm also gonna get like some amber tint. I'm gonna order some amber tint from Amazon. So thinking about doing that and tinting the bottom piece right here. I don't know if I want to do the whole piece right here and cover that off. I think it'll look good. Or do I just want to just come across with the VHT, or just order that tint piece off of Amazon to cover all this up? So I'm not sure. Another thing I want to do is coming right here with the Dodge. So I want to take this off. I don't want it to be Dodge no more. I wanted to show like RT, so I gotta find a way to get this badge off and then replace it with a RT badge. So I know this plate here is not gonna come off properly, so I probably have to go inside the grill or take the grill out to get it off good, and then replace it with a RT badge. So thinking about doing that, not sure. This right here, as far as this, like before I got the car, I think it was a car from Ohio or something like that before it came down here. So I'm just gonna leave this like this. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I've been thinking down the road, once I get the hood, because I'm getting the hood next year. I think beginning part of next year, I'm gonna get a hood, the SRT hood with the cooling vents and everything. I'm gonna get that, and yeah. Also, I told you I got to do the brake pads. I need to clean all of this up. This whole Durango need to be like detailed from head to toe. I gotta rotate the tires. Gotta find some time to do that. As you can see, I'm having a little wear on the tires, so definitely trying to get them rotated. Might be going to get the alignment one day, but right now the alignment's good still. But definitely gonna paint the calipers red. I need to add some a wheel lock set up, and then I'm gonna paint these. Once I take the wheels and everything off, I'm gonna paint these lug nuts black. So all of this will be completely black. It won't look like cop car no more. So yeah. And then I got another thing that I'm dealing with that was on the car when I first got it. Is this crack right here. That's where the water been getting into. The crack gotten a little worse, and I put something on it and it stained it. So I'm gonna try to repair it, clean it up, seal it off, try my best to do it that way, and go from there. So I got a lot to do coming up. Last thing I'm probably gonna do is use the VHT nightshade to come across here. You can see the LED turn signal, make that dark, and yeah. So overall, she's looking good. So yeah, that's pretty much it, y'all. So we'll go from here with it, and I'll see y'all on the next one.